sun was bright. You saw the waves breaking on the shore, just like any other day. Then came Monday's dawn with its winds, and later full blown to write us all a different tale. Stone walls and dunes only did part of their task, couldn't keep the roiling sea at bay. Surge, high tide, full moon destined to collide. Some brave souls stayed at home who wouldn't fail. Pray for and God bless all the locals as we think how in the world they will get by. Already talk had begun. We cannot be on the run. We will return this place to all its glory. We will be strong. We will rebuild. We are the Jersey Shore, where you got your thrills. We speak for every torn town. We are blessed with the will. We won't back down. We will rebuild. You find out who you want to be with when you're reduced to only candlelight. You find out what's in your metal, sharing shelters and friendships you have found. The president and governor walk your very streets with extended arms and prayers for your plight. A pledge to build the new normal, a better kind of ocean playground. Each its own tale, beam by beam, stone by stone. A tomorrow built, nail by nail. Flags of hope flown, love of country. A pledge to prevail. The whole outdoors is our new church. As we look skyward for hope in the stars, stare the wreckage right in its face, and dream there must be more than this to our fate. We will be strong. We will rebuild. We are the Jersey Shore, where you got your